Hello, this is John with Online Verve. Thanks for stopping by. Today, I want to do a review on new product from J.K. Dowell called RHIMS 5.0, the ultimate guide to launch jacking. Now, launch jacking, please don't stop watching. Most people have heard of launch jacking. They've maybe given it a half-hearted try. But what J.K. does in this is really shows you some of the insider secrets to make it very effective. And it's a he always puts out great training. As you can see, RHIMS stands for really helpful internet marketing stuff, and this is his 5th product in this RHIMS series. I've bought all 5. It's always great. It's always full of really insightful tips and tricks, and some different takes on things that a lot of times just kind of get glossed over or fluffed over in other training and other products. And so I do want to say that JK is a great teacher, really to the point, very clear, very concise, and he does an awesome job. And so when you go to the sales page for this about launch jacking, you're going to see the typical, testimonials, although I'm in JK's Facebook group. These are testimonials from real people. You'll see the classic screenshot incomes, but JK does really use launch jacking. And the great thing that he teaches in this, and because I did purchase it, here's in my account for RHIMS 5.0, what he goes through are not only some of the insider strategies that many times get left out of other launch jacking courses, but he shows you how you can use launch jacking to quickly start making some income and then grow your online business. And the techniques he teaches are specifically focused on the internet marketing, make money online niche, but really can be applied to any niche, whether it's weight loss, self-help, relationships, physical products, selling Amazon. When, some big manufacturers come out with a brand new product that they're promoting, you can use this same method. He focuses on it from the internet marketing niche because that's probably the quickest and easiest niche to really do this. The other thing I did want to say, though, is he addresses a lot of things that are, I think, very important to understand. One is just the launch cycle. So he goes through that in one of these sections, finding products, so this is a big one that a lot of people struggle with, especially if they're not really an established affiliate marketer, is how do they get approved in order to promote products. And he goes through and teaches a really helpful strategy, which I thought was great when I went through that, how you can try to get pre-release access, etc. He goes through exactly, again, this is, I think, very helpful, understanding the roadmap of the launch cycle and then the phases of the launch cycle, and then go through giving you some very specific examples on what to do to make this successful. And the beauty of it, from my take, is I've seen lots and lots of courses about launch jacking. So again, launch jacking is not something new. And in fact, if we go over to Muncheye, this is a calendar where you can see products that are being launched in the internet marketing space. And you can see, so this is October 31st, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 products are launched just today. And if we go to tomorrow, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 products are being launched just tomorrow on November 1st. And so this is a really, really good method to start making some affiliate commissions and really start that snowball effect to build up your affiliate business. Again, some people get discouraged. They see it as this is kind of a one and done type of thing. And launch jacking, you make some commissions, and then there's no sustainable ongoing. But the way JK teaches it in RHIMS 5.0, he shows you how to make it sustainable. So you're not just constantly on the hamster wheel of pursuing new products to that are launching, and how to try to get access, and then how to try to get approval for that and get traffic and make sales. But how you can really go back and forth and use this to really ramp up the rest of your online business. So this is on sale right now for $27. It'll go up to $47 once the launch is over. So if you're going to pick it up, please, I have a affiliate link in the description box below. I'd appreciate if you pick it up through my link. I think it's well worth it, especially if nothing else. You'll see that in the case studies, he shows how he made over $9,500 for the launch of this product, Bing Bang Profits. I bought this through him when he launched it. Traffic 5, he made over $3,500. Mail Engage, $3,000. And so there's just tons and tons of great information in here. I know the $27 price point might make some people shy away because they're used to seeing things for $5, $7. But what are you really getting for $5 or $7? Okay, unfortunately, you're just not really getting the insider info. So let's just be real for a second. You need, unfortunately, to pay a little more to get some good information. And JK, this is worth every bit of the $27. So if you're thinking of launch jacking, or if you're just starting out as an affiliate and you're not sure how to get things going, this is a awesome way to really get your feet in the water, make some commissions quickly, build an email list, and then it just, again, snowballs from there. So thanks for watching the video. Give it a thumbs up if you like it. Leave a comment. And if you do decide to pick this up, I'll have a link in the description box below. Thanks so much.